Hello, my wonderful friends. Today we will talk about plurals with s or es. If the noun ends with a hissing sound, ch, sh, s, x, or z, we use es to make it plural. Our high frequency words are right, to, and about. Our plural nouns are brushes, torches, socks, fizzes, foxes, boats, glasses, shoes. Ox, fox. It ends with a hissing sound, so we add an es to make it foxes. Boat. We simply add s to make it boats. Glass. It ends with a hissing sound, so we add es and make it glasses. Shoe. Add an s and make it shoes. Brush. It ends with a sh, which is a hissing sound, so add an es and make it brushes. Torch. It ends with a ch sound, so we need to add an es to make it plural. It becomes torches. Sock. We simply add s to make it socks. Look at this cute pair of socks. Fizz. It ends with a z sound, so we add an es and we make it fizzes. Our high frequency words. Right, the opposite of left. Take a right turn after the mall. Two, number two. I have two pencils. An article used before words beginning with a vowel sound. An apple. About, concerning. I am thinking about food. We hope that you are having a beautiful learning journey. See you next time.